My name is Rebecca, and I'm leading a scientific expedition to retrace John Steinbeck and Ed Ricketts' 1940 Sea of Cortez Biodiversity Survey to ask the question, how has the Sea of Cortez changed since they last set foot there? In 1940, over 85 years ago, the author John Steinbeck and his friend marine biologist Ed Ricketts journeyed to the Sea of Cortez, also known as the Gulf of California, driven simply by curiosity to better understand life. And what they produced was a nonfiction book that was groundbreaking in the foundation of intertidal biodiversity in the region. In 1940, they found the seashores ferocious with life, cataloging over 550 species. But much has changed since the last time they were there. Thanks to its unique geological history and oceanographic setting, the Gulf of California was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its biodiversity and cultural significance. But today, the area is facing rampant commercial fishing, urban development, pollution, and warming ocean temperatures. The intertidal ecosystem is a mirror of the planet's health, and we want to better understand how this place is changing. Our team of early career scientists from the US and Mexico are going to set sail on a 45-foot sailboat to revisit 12 of Steinbeck's original sites, and to find if there are certain spots that can act as climate refuge for these intertidal organisms based on their unique oceanography or geology. I am personally really excited to be combining Ricketts and Steinbeck's traditional field observation methods with more modern eDNA or environmental DNA methods to understand not only the shifts in observable organisms, but also the cryptic and transient animals that inhabit these tide pools. Not many studies have done both at the same time. By comparing our data from 2026 to the data collected by Steinbeck and Ricketts in 1940, we hope to better understand how animals are moving and adapting to changing environments. We hope people will be excited for our real-time updates from the field from the deck of our ship, bridging the literary past with current-day voices that are shaping Baja today. Our long-term mission is science-backed community resilience for both the people living in Baja and the animals that live on the seashores. To do this, we are partnering with local environmental groups, including Conserva Laredo, to establish a long-term citizen science monitoring site at one of Steinbeck and Ricketts' original tide pool sites. We hope that these tide pools can act as living classrooms and a catalyst for curiosity for local community members to dive in and better understand the biodiversity along their coasts, and to use their data to help empower sustainable management decisions. Our research findings will be published in scientific papers, but they will also be published through a nonfiction book and our documentary. We also hope that our expedition and the results from our study inspire others to follow in Steinbeck and Ricketts' footsteps, where small acts of curiosity and connection can teach us to live resiliently, like the tiny tide pool creatures that live beneath the crashing waves where the desert meets the sea.